Today, we're taking a look at a new line from Bravur watches called Grand Tour. It's a series of automatic chronographs inspired by the three world-famous bicycle races or tours: Italian, French, and Spanish. Each one has a distinct color scheme and a few models within that same color. The one we got in for a review belongs to the Tour de France, or Le Grand Boucle, probably the most famous and prestigious of the three. On this line, yellow is the main color, as the leader wears a yellow jersey, unlike the Italian pink and Spanish red. The watch is a relatively small 38mm automatic chronograph, which makes it a bit chunky, as it measures more than 14mm in thickness. Luckily, they managed to hide some of that thickness by clever shaping and curves, so the watch actually wears more like a regular diver, hiding its actual thickness. Being short like the lug, it wears great even on a small wrist like mine, and I do like the brushed finish, as well as the chronograph buttons that follow the curvature of the case. As for the movement, they opted for a less-known chronograph from Salida, the SW511. It beats at 28,800 bph, comes with both hacking and hand winding, just like the counterpart from ETA, but has one quirky detail of having a 15-minute counter at 3 o'clock instead of a more usual 30-minute one. It allows for a more legible display of the minutes, as they're spaced far from each other, but it also makes reading the hours, which are located at 6 o'clock, a bit harder, as you have 4 positions within 1 hour, so as the time progresses, a chance of reading the time incorrectly becomes higher and higher. Honestly, I doubt anyone will be making any crucial life or death measurements using this, so I really don't care. You buy a mechanical chronograph because the subdials make the watch look cool, whether you want to admit it or not. And this one, with silver subdials that have concentric grooves as the finish, does look cool. It also has a lot of hidden details that connect it to Tour de France. The more obvious are the 12 o'clock marker that is styled to resemble road milestones in France along the route, where you have elevation and distance to a peak written, while the more subtle ones include polka dot pattern made to look like wet asphalt and a really cool inverted 13 on the outer minute track, as a tribute to riders with an assigned number 13 who usually wear it upside down on their jerseys to negate the bad luck of the infamous number. The watch also comes with a range of straps, a matching yellow and also a black tropic rubber, both of which are very supple and comfortable, even though slightly too long for my wrist, and you also get a black with dark green leather. It is definitely a very unique looking chronograph and one with very specific details, making it a pretty niche product. So a price of $2,500, despite being quite high, might be okay for someone who is into cycling and will appreciate all the Easter eggs, if we can call them that. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.